So I just pulled the radio out of my 1988 Samurai, and I did not install this radio. It's a aftermarket Sony one, but it's been in there a long time. You can see how much dirt was on it, but pulled it out of there, and so they just crushed power, stole power out of the fuse box down in there, right? So there's your fuse box, and that's where the radio goes, right? So you're talking maybe 3 feet, maybe. Watch this. Well, look at this harness. This is just beyond ridiculous. So here's your plug. Here's a bunch of wires that don't go to anything. Maybe one is a speaker wire. The power antenna doesn't have it. Here's your ground and stuff. And now here's the, ignition power wire. Giant capacitor on it, fused in line. Cool. Now get ready for this. This is the always power. One fuse. Oh, we're changing wire color. That's weird. Another fuse. And now we got this one tied together, no protection on it. We're changing wire again into another fuse. Oh, now we're changing gauge of wire. Now we're going to follow this gauge down. Follow it down, follow it down. Oh, we're changing back to the smaller gauge of wire. That's weird. And then you get to the end where they just literally shoved this underneath the fuse and crushed it inside the fuse box. Look at that. I mean, that I pulled a snake out of my car pretty much for a Samurai. That's how much wire they needed to run for power. Unreal.